Today's the day. Maybe it's something you've been planning for, or an emergency you didn't see coming. Today is the day for problem solving, for greater control, for increased safety, efficiency, and comfort. For a Spot Cooler's portable HVAC solution, fully tested and reliable upon delivery. Since 1985, Spot Coolers has answered the call to meet the on-the-spot needs of customers throughout the United States. Spot Coolers is a part of Carrier, one of the most trusted names in HVAC, and a Fortune 500 company. With locations coast to coast and 24/7 availability, you can count on the delivery and installation of portable heating, cooling, and air filtration units, systems, and services. For additional peace of mind, every Spot Coolers employee completes a 50-state background check and participates in annual safety and ethics training. Expertly maintained and always stored indoors, Spot Cooler solutions are roll-off-the-truck ready to be placed where you need them most. Just as important, once installed, they're also easily maneuverable by a single person in any facility. So rest assured, when and if the day comes, Spot Coolers has you covered with a full line of portable, trouble-free solutions, including air-cooled, water-cooled, low-temperature, indoor, outdoor, heat pumps, electric heaters, dehumidifiers, fans, air quality machines, and air cleaners. For more information on all of Spot Cooler's portable solutions, call 800-367-8675 or go to spot-coolers.com.